How to fix Instagram video can't be posted on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram video can't be posted on Android or iOS phone. First thing you need to do here is to go to settings and then scroll all the way down until you find apps. Now click apps again, type here Instagram. This one is for Android users. Type here Instagram, then click force stop. Go to storage, clear cache, go to permissions. Make sure all of those permissions are enabled. Now just go back, restart your phone and try again. And that's it. If that doesn't fix your problem or you have an iPhone, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again, or you can go to settings, general, and then iPhone storage, then select Instagram and click offload. I hope that can fix it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.